Hello everyone, in this video lecture we will discuss about the LU decomposition method for finding the solution of system of linear equation. Let us explain the method with the help of an example. Suppose we have to compute the solution of the system x1 plus x2 minus x3 equal to 4, x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 6, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 7. And we can write this system in terms of Ax equal to b, or the coefficient matrix of the system can be written as 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Okay, here the vector b is 4, 6, 7. So this is the matrix A that we have to decompose in terms of L and U. L means what? L is lower triangular matrix formed by multipliers used in Gauss elimination method to convert A into tridiagonal matrix, A into U. Okay, A into upper triangular matrix. Okay, so and U is what? U is the upper triangular matrix, formed by applying Gauss elimination method. Okay, so we can write A in term of L into U. So L will be what? L is 1, 0, 0. Diagonal element are all 1, and other element below diagonal elements are M21, M31 and M32. And U is whatever the matrix is coming out to be, like whatever U11, U12, U13, okay, and U22, U23 and U33. Okay, so either you can express in term of U or in term of A, doesn't matter. I mean, the thing is what, these are non-zero element in the matrix U. Okay, let's solve this example with the help of LU decomposition method. So you are writing A equal to LU. Okay, whenever you are writing AX equal to B, that means A is what? L or U. This is equation number 1. Use equation number 1 in A. So what is coming out to be? LUX equal to B. So this UX you can choose as vector. Why? Because U is a matrix, that is a 3 by 3 order matrix. When you will multiply U with a vector, you are getting a vector. So let us assume Y as UX. Okay, and then this L of Y will be B. Compute Y from equation 2 and use this Y to compute X from here. Okay, so compute Y from equation 2 and then compute X from the relationship UX equal to Y. So this is your LU decomposition method. So let us start to apply. So A is what? Here A is your matrix, that is 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 1. Okay, so in order to get the L matrix or U matrix, what you have to do? You have to apply Gauss elimination method first. So what is the aim in Gauss elimination method? Our aim at the first step to make 0 at this position. So for that we will define multipliers. So that is what? A21 upon a11, that is 1 upon 1, and m31 is what? That is 2 upon, that is a31 upon a11, that is 2 upon 1. And after that apply row operation in order to make 0 at the a21 and a31 position. So r2 equal to r2 minus m21 r1 and r3 minus m31 r1. So what you are getting? You are getting here 1 0 0. So the value you are getting here at this position as 1 0 0. First row will remain same and the change will occur in second row and third row. So the next element is coming out to be what? Minus 3 4 1 3. Okay, now make 0 at this position. So we will compute m32. Okay, because we have to make 0 at a32 position, so we will compute multiplier to make 0 at this position. That is what? 1 upon minus 3. Okay, and then apply row operation. What is the row operation? That is r32 r3 minus m32 r2. Okay, so what we are getting here after applying this row operation, we are getting here as 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 3 4 0 0 13 upon 3. This is your matrix A after applying row operation. We can call it as U because it is a upper triangular matrix. All below diagonal elements are 0. Okay, now compute. Now what is your L? L is 1 0 0. Here m21 m31 1 0 1 m32. What is m21 here? M21 is your 1. This is 1 as we computed in the previous slide. That is 1. M31 is also 2. It is 2. M32, that is the value minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Okay, so this is your L. So 1 0 0 1 2 1 0 minus 1 upon 3 and 1. This is your L. Okay, so I told you like you can write Ax equal to B as A is decomposed in term of L and U. So if you will multiply L and U, you will get again the matrix A. Okay, so L U X equal to B. So let us assume Y equal to UX. Okay, so Ly equal to B. Okay, so this we have assumed here as Y vector. So Ly equal to B. So Ly equal to B. So 1 0 0, that is 1 1 0, 2 minus 1 by 3 1, and the Y is a vector. So let us assume Y1 Y2 and Y3. These are the component of Y1 Y2 Y3. Okay, equal to B. Vector B is what? 4 minus 6 7. Now if we write in term of the equation, so from the first row we are getting Y1 equal to 4. From the second equation we are getting, from the second row we are getting Y1 plus Y2 equal to minus 6. From here we can compute the value of Y2, that is coming out to be minus 10. Now 2Y1 plus minus 1 by 3 Y2 plus Y3 equal to 7. Compute the value of Y3 from here, that we are getting as minus 13 upon 3. Okay, so these are the value of Y1, Y3, Y3, Y2 and Y1. Okay, after getting these values, we will use these value to compute X. Ux equal to Y. Okay, that we have assumed here. This is Y equal to Ux. So Y we have computed from here. So the vector Y is what? That is your 4 minus 10 and minus 13 upon 3. Okay, so this is Y1, Y2, Y3. These are the component of the vector Y. So now we'll use Ux equal to Y. So ux equal to y. So u is what? That is the matrix we obtained after applying row operation, that is 1 1 1 0 minus 3 4, okay, and 0 0 13 upon 3, okay, into x1 x2 x3 equal to y1 y2 y3. What is y1 y2 y3? That we have already computed. Let's check from the previous slide. That is 4 minus 10 13 by 3. 4 minus 10 minus 13 upon 3. Compute the value of from the back side. That is, first we will compute the value of x3. 13 upon 3 equal to minus 13 upon 3. Okay, x3. So get the value of x3 from here. So x3 equal to minus 1. Okay. Then from the second row we are getting minus 3x2 plus 4x3 equal to minus 10. Use this value of x2. You can compute the value of x2. So x2 we are getting from here as 2. And then from the first equation we are getting here, this is x2. Now x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4. Okay, now using this value of x3 and x2 we are getting the value of x1. The value of x1 is coming out to be as 1. So the solution of the system by Gauss elimination we are getting, by the LU decomposition method we are getting as, that is 1 2 minus 1. Okay, so I just want to tell you here one thing, that is what, whenever we are computing the value of y from ax equal to b, or like from this step ly equal to b, here we are using forward substitution. Since you are computing the value of y1 from the first equation, y2 from the second equation, y3 from the third equation, and it is from the upward direction, so it is called forward substitution. Okay, and after that you are computing value x from the back side, so this is called backward substitution. Okay, so this is your method that we discussed here, that is LU decomposition method. Thank you.